Oh, nothing, just updating my trackers. My name is Alicia, and I'm the main contributor to Budgeting Backwards, a money platform that mainly focuses on personal finances, education, awareness, and advocacy. On this YouTube channel, I like to share a little bit about my personal finances, also budgeting tips, tracking, planning, and recipes for two. If you like what you see, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let's get into my January 2024 tracking. First up, we have my credit card tracker and my color pencils. For my credit card tracker, I use it at the end of every month. I go in on my computer and I check every single credit card to ensure that the bill was actually paid. This is my third time checking to make sure the bill actually is paid and went through. Things happen, so I like to make sure that I am not only double checking but triple checking. So I fill out my tracker as I am checking to make sure that the bill actually cleared. This month I decided to use yellow, and I think that I'm going to use the colors from darkest to lightest for this specific tracker for 2024. Next up, I have my Holy Grail, the bill tracker, and this is really my catch-all for all my bills. Every single bill that I pay is on this one sheet. I start from the bills that I do on the first of the month, and then I go all the way to the end of the month. In the spaces that you see me skipping is because that's probably a yearly cost. Something like the annual fee on my credit card, I only pay it once a month, and I don't have any yearly costs due in January, so you're going to see me skip some of the boxes. Now, something that I've noticed being able to use this over the years is that my bills have changed drastically. This year alone, my bills have raised about $700, and I pretty much have the same exact salary. So you can tell that inflation is like really eating me up. And the way I was able to see this is because I'm able to go back to my old bill trackers. I've been doing this for 5 years. So I have 5 sheets that I can go back to and compare how much I was paying for certain things. And right here, I'm just writing myself a note to remind myself that the office rent has increased drastically. So January is the last time we are paying this specific amount for my office. Next month, the rent will go up drastically. So I'm going to make note of that on here. And this is how the bill tracker looks when it's all filled out. Um, I am very grateful that I have the money to actually pay my bills. I don't take the fact that I can make my ends meet for granted. I know that there are so many people, especially nowadays, that it's very hard for them to make ends meet. So I'm very grateful that as I'm filling this tracker out, I'm able to actually have the resources to actually pay these bills every month. I definitely don't take it for granted at all, because I've had months myself when I didn't know where the money would come from, or I couldn't fill in these boxes. And here I am just doing a quick flip through of the week so far, and this is my catch-all. This is my 2-page hourly breakdown, and I really live by these. It allows me to put all of my lives together, take all of my calendars for the many hats that I'm wearing, and put everything together. This, as you can see, I'm still not done with my planner layout, so I still have post-it notes everywhere. But this is my personal calendar, and I'm just writing some tasks that I have. I've been not doing too much lately, just really staying in the house and really trying to figure out what my next moves are, my next steps. So my personal life calendar is not really full as I would like it to be. This is my first year using this 11 ring discbound notebook as my planner. I love it. I'm going to put all the links to everything that I've purchased so far and that I love in the description. I would really recommend, if you are someone who wants your planner to be highly personalized, that you use this system. You can rip the pages out easily. You can put them back in. You can print whatever you want, and it's on a normal 8.5 by 11 size sheet. I am absolutely in love with this, and I wish that I discovered it earlier. As you can see here, I printed my own notebook pages with the sprinkles that match my brand and the dates at the top. I absolutely love this. Thank you all so much for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might be interested. I'll see you later. Bye.